Want to know how to clone your projects in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. So now once you've done that, here you should be under your projects right here. So if you don't see it, just simply select projects and then select any project that you want. So once you've done it, here on top you should be seeing your project name. So just simply right click on it. And now once you've done that, here you should be seeing various options. Now since we want to clone our project, here you should be seeing the clone option right here. Just simply select it. And once you have done that, after a while your project should be cloned just like that, or your project should be duplicated just like this. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a nice day and see you in the next one.